Hey, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here with me today. I am actually going to make a linen spray and I'm super excited about this. So I got this bottle here from my Young Living laundry caddy. So if you don't have that, that's okay. You just need an 8-ounce glass spray bottle, okay? So something tells me this is a little more than 8 ounces, but we'll find out, won't we? All right, so have a nice spray top. If you also notice on the bottom, I love that yes, it is plastic, but the tube is actually wrapped around it. Don't you hate that when you're sitting there trying to press the last little bit and it won't come out? Drives me crazy too. So I'm so glad that it kind of wraps around the bottom so it can get every last little bit of goodness. Are you excited? I'm totally excited. Let's make this. All right, what do we need for this linen spray? All right, so I need 8 ounces of water. Okay, filtered water preferably. And then I also need 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol. And then I'm also going to need some essential oils. So it says 25 drops approximately. So here are some of my favorite options. Of course, you do you, boo. That's what I tell my kids all the time. I'm a teacher, so I'm like, you do you, boo. But here are some of my favorites that I'm going to share with you. So the first one is Gentle Baby. So Gentle Baby is very comforting. It's very soft smelling. It's very relaxing. It's great at the end of the day. No, it doesn't smell like baby. I wish I could just go, oh, here, smell, right? Smell-o-vision. To me, there's a little bit of a floral scent. There's a ylang-ylang in here, Roman chamomile, geranium is in here. And so all of these really nice, really calming scents are in this one. Another one of my favorites is Seedlings Calm. This is from our baby line. Let's see if it will focus in. I hate it when it does that. But Seedlings Calm is a really great oil. It is a blend. It's more lavender based. Oh, in fact, I diffuse this in my classroom every single day. Yeah, for the kids or me, I don't know, but I love this one. And then also just plain lavender. Lavender is great, very calming for a linen spray. But today I'm going to use one of my favorites, and that's Peace and Calming. All right, are we ready to go? So first of all, I'm going to combine the essential oils and the alcohol in here first. Take my twisty top off, and then I'm going to just go ahead and pour right directly into here, and about 25 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Ooh, an extra drop got in there. All right. Now, if you notice, this is kind of the cool thing, and you might freak out a little bit, but Peace and Calming is green. So don't worry, it will dissipate a little bit here, and no, it will not stain your stuff. So no worries about that. So I also got my little handy dandy tools here, and this is 1 tablespoon right here. So I'm going to put my little funnel in there, and I need 1 tablespoon of isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol, whatever you want to call it. This will help the water and the oils mix together because, as we know, water and oils don't mix. All right, pour that in there. And then what the directions tell us to do is to go ahead and take this off, put your lid on, and give it a good swirl. I probably don't have to technically put the lid on, but I'm going to because I usually make a mess. Anybody else like that? Because I would sit here and like swirl and right? That's my normal world. So I don't know why they let me be a science teacher sometimes. You know what I mean? Because I'm the one making the mess all the time. All right, so we've got kind of a little murky murk here. I will tell you, if you pick lavender, if you pick something else that is a plain essential oil that doesn't have any color to it, you are not going to get the color like I am. So don't worry about it. Also kind of helps you show what happens to that as well. So I'm going to put my funnel back in and then pour in my 8 ounces of water. Make sure I don't overflow it because, again, I'm really good about doing that. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Just perfect. Well, what do you know? I guess it was a little, it's probably more like a 10-ounce container, right? I don't know. So we're going to throw that in there. Always trying to get the lid on just right. All right, right, give it a good shake. So every time you use the spray, you're going to want to shake it up pretty good so that all of that gets mixed in. Oh, gosh, totally peace and calming. Oh, I wish I could just go, here, there you go. Oh my gosh, it smells delightful. So could you blend a couple of these different things together? Absolutely. Some of my other favorite scents would be including Stress Away. You could also put some of these that I mentioned earlier in with this one as well. I kind of like the green look to it. That looks pretty snifty, right? All right, until next time, we'll see you later.